Good afternoon. So today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Within 3 days, we need to complete this chapter. I think it's not too much. Yesterday we discussed about natural cleansing materials, right? What type of things can be used as cleansing materials naturally? Lemon, ash. Next one was Rita, soap or shikakai, pina, and Sajivan, right? So we discussed that it is also called biodiesel because from this seed, yeah, we can get diesel, right? See here, each seed contains 30 to 80% oil. 30 to 80% oil. Okay, now here we are going to discuss some man-made or synthetic chemical used in cleansing. Basically, we are discussing about two man-made cleansers. Cleansing agent, we have to know at first. What is a cleansing agent? How do you define cleansing agent? Means the substance, the chemical that has capacity to remove stain, mainly bag, dhabba, dirt, dust, stain. If it can remove all those things, that is called cleanser, right? Or cleansing agent. So these man-made or synthetic cleansing agents are more powerful than natural one. Their power is more. So we use mainly soap and what is next one? Detergent, right? Soap and detergent, these are man-made cleansing agents. So soap is especially made from animal fat. Animal fat means boso, you know boso? Either animal fat or they use vegetable oil. Either animal fat or vegetable oil. You see, with making your backbone straight, why are you turning too much? Animal fat plus vegetable vegetable oil plus they use caustic soda. Caustic soda, NaOH. If the mixture is heated, you will get here two things: soap and both fiber. Glycerol also, soap also, right? Is it good or not? Right? So it's given here. This reaction produces soap and glycerine. So the soap contains glycerin also, right? That's why good quality soap, what does it do? It makes our skin smooth. But if there is only soap, no glycerin, then it will be dry also. Especially washing soap is there, right? And while making the soap, what do they do? First of all, they take the mixture of animal fat or vegetable oil and caustic soda, heat it. Then the soap is formed in the form of liquid. To make it solid, they add sodium chloride. What is added? Sodium chloride. Table salt. If sodium chloride is added, then we will get the solid part of soap, and slowly they extract it and make the cake. So cake is made, and they add some sort of fragrance, perfumes, some glycerin, and sell in the market. So one thing you have to remember, we use different brand soap. Like the most famous is Lifebuoy. Everywhere we can get it. Dettol, Lux, Dove, others, Lyriel. Earlier I used to use another also, Imperial Leather. Now also it is there, but it's quite expensive. Red one, Imperial Leather, right? Those are the outer cover only. They are not the soap. They are not soap. So soap is here. Sodium stearate. What is the example of soap? sodium stearate, sodium oleate, and sodium palmitate. These are the chemical name of soap. If the question is asked, write the chemical name of soap, then you have to write sodium palmitate, sodium stearate, sodium oleate. Example. But what is soap? What is soap? Soap is a cleansing agent that is made by heating the mixture of caustic soda and animal fat or vegetable oil. Or there is next definition of soap also. Is it given here somewhere else? Soap is a sodium salt of higher fatty acid. Soap is a sodium salt of higher fatty acid that has capability or ability to remove the dirt and stain. Sodium salt of higher fatty acid that has capacity or capability to remove dirt or stain. Example of soaps are sodium palmitate, sodium oleate, sodium stearate. Here is another word. What is this? Saponification. What is saponification? The process of making soap or the process of manufacturing of soap is called saponification. Right? To manufacture soap, what do you need? One is sodium hydroxide. Next one plus fatty acid. Either fatty acid or animal fat or vegetable oil, and it is heated, right? What do you get here? Either sodium oleate or sodium palmitate or sodium stearate plus glycerol. Glycerin or glycerol. Both of them are in liquid form at the time. And to get the soap in solid form, what is added? Sodium chloride. Right? And after getting that mold, actually dough, D-O-U-G-H, dough, it is casted into different shapes and soap cake is made. Then the fragrance or this and that color, whatever they want to do, they add it. All soaps, they do not contain similar color, no? Some are red color, but it doesn't give red thing in our hand. Only coloring thing is there, right? Yes or no? Okay, that is one artificial cleansing agent. To see the structural formula, molecular formula of sodium stearate, C18H35NaO2. See, it is also derivative of hydrocarbon. Derivative of, here is carbon, hydrogen and other elements, right? Here, sodium oleate, what is given here? C18H33NaO2, right? This is also derivative of hydrocarbon. Here, palmitate, C16H31NaO2, right? Remember, your mind is concentrated doing this and sometimes rotate that side, this side also matches again. Now your job. Okay. Not mind dunga ayo buddhi ayo na kade. So that dunga ayo buddhi na kade also. Yeah, must come. Okay. What is the next one? Detergent. Right? What is detergent? Detergent is the sodium salt. Here is definition. Can you read this definition, children? What is here? The sodium salt of long chain benzene sulfonic acid or long chain alkyl benzene sulfate which has cleansing property in water. One thing you have to keep in mind, soap is made from fatty acid, from animal fat or vegetable oil, but this detergent is made from petroleum or fossil fuel. While extracting petroleum, some sort of chemicals are obtained from those chemicals, what is made? Detergent is made. Okay, so definition is here. What are the examples of detergent? Don't say wheel, surf excel, Tide, Gaudi. No, examples are here. Sodium lauryl sulfate, C12H25SO4 Na. So see, is it derivative hydrocarbon or not? Sodium alkyl benzene sulfonate, RC6H4OSO3Na. Sodium alkyl pyrophosphate. See these things. They are very complex chemicals, but they have more cleansing action, cleansing property than soap. Which is more powerful? Definitely, detergent can remove the stains easily. Some detergents are quite expensive also. We're talking about the brand name Surf Excel and Ariel. I think these are quite expensive. I have got washing machine. Once I used this Patanjali wala. Another I use Ariel wala. Ariel per kg near about 350 rupees. And this Patanjali, half of that one. And which is more powerful? Ariel is more powerful. Yes or no? Matter is like that. Anyway, so in Ariel or Surf Excel or Wheel or Tide, such type of chemicals are used. Okay. Detergents are called soapless soap in one word. They are called soapless. Why? They can perform many of the same cleaning functions as soap. Their function is similar to soap, but they are not made from animal fat. Function similar to soap, but their source is different. Source is different. Right? But one thing, if it is powerful, it has some bad side effects also. If we talk about this phone gets charged within 30 minutes. 30 minutes also doesn't take. But its battery finishes fast also. You might have noticed, some people they do tarakki very fast, right?
But they come down.
And they come down very fast also, isn't it? In the same way, the detergents are more powerful than soap, but they have got more side effects also. They are pollutants also. What are they? They cause pollution. They degrade the quality of water. Especially they degrade the quality of water. That means they are non-biodegradable. They are
Non-biodegradable.
soap is biodegradable. Soap is biodegradable means it can be broken down into simpler substances by bacteria. But detergent is non-biodegradable. That's why the water which comes out after using this detergent is not suitable for irrigation purposes or using in the fields. Non-biodegradable means now the soil, water is polluted. Water also makes the soil polluted. Then production will be more or less. It is said, you know. Now the rate of increase in population is high. One condition will come. At that time, what will happen? Soil cannot produce more crops, and there is very less supply of crop, and people they die because of famine. Soil also has got production capacity, yes or no? We are using same soil for producing crops and crops and crops, means nutrients are decreasing or not? So one day what will happen? Production will be 50% only, and that 50% will not be sufficient for all the people, and many they die, right? But that is not our concern. Our concern is soap and detergent. But detergent is a pollutant, we have to remember, right? Here are some problems. How many problems are here? Number one, skin irritation. So, because of detergent, it may damage the these oil glands of our skin, right? It makes it dry also. And next one, allergic reactions. So some people they have got allergy also because of it. And next one is what is here? Environmental pollution. First water pollution, soil pollution. Next one, eye irritation. Have you bathed with detergent? So don't try also. Because if there are some such defects, then why do you try, right? But sometimes what do they say? They do? Oh. And fading the color of? Yes, this is the next problem. The natural, this color of cloth becomes dimmer day by day because they are more powerful means they remove the color. Differences between soap and detergent. No, not here. Natural chemicals used in cleansing, and afterwards we will be discussing about differences between soap and detergent. Okay. What are the differences between natural cleansers and man-made cleansers? They are widely used, and they are also widely used, but actually they are locally available also. Without paying money also we can get, but for this we have to pay money, expensive one. So what is given here? Comment looks same. And next one, they are safe for environment, they are toxic for environment. Toxic means poisonous one, harmful, right? But next important thing is, let's discuss about difference between soap, 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 and what is here? Detergent. So what are the differences between soap and detergent? What do you think? So it is biodegradable. It is non-biodegradable. Biodegradable. Biodegradable, not biodegradable, right? Number second, it is made from vegetable oil or animal fat and caustic, CAUSTIC. Caustic means OH, there is OH. Soda means Na. Sodium hydroxide is caustic soda. Potassium hydroxide is caustic potash. Caustic potash, okay? And it is made from a fossil fuel. And next thing we can write, it has low cleansing property. It has high cleansing property. That thing we can do, right? Okay, today we have discussed this much. Please read once again this portion, make note, and do previous question answer also. Understood? Come on.